Alright, so this was made with the help of Dan. So we decided to use the first step, flexible endoscopic bedside pre-clean kit for our bronch. And a couple of things with this. If you read the instructions on the back, it doesn't mention about cleaning out the specimen port. So we need to make sure we do that. That's still part of the process. But basically, what this video is going to show us here is how to use the bag and how to treat the bronch. So to tear off works pretty simple. You set the bag up, kind of put it on a towel here in case you spilled it. You notice there's a sponge in there, and then the solution, and there's about 200 mils of solution. So there's plenty of solution to be able to complete the task of cleaning and suctioning and pushing fluid through the sample port. So Dan's got the sponge here. You're supposed to kind of squeeze the sponge out. And right now, off to the side there, you can't see it because this is in a room, but he's cleaning the scope off with the sponge. And it'll come back into view here in a second. So it shows him cleaning up and down. And he's got his syringe right there, so you can be able to. So now he's put it into the package here. And what he's doing is he's suctioning some of the solution up through the suction channel. So that should work there. So there's plenty of solution in there. It's about 200 mils. And as a reminder, you also need to do your SCS checkoff for first step, the solution, because it's more chemical. So then he pulls up the solution there in the syringe. Now he's going to push down through the sample port. And he's doing that right now. You just push it right back into the bag. And once you've done all of those three steps, which you've done before, no more Endozyme, no more Prolistica, hollow first step. So this is going to be in all bronch boxes, and we're going to have it available. Again, it's first stop. It says flexible endoscope bedside pre-clean kit. It's what we've always done, and then you pack it up and process it just like you would any other bronch. Okay? Well, thanks for viewing. This is moving into something else there I don't want it to. Thanks for viewing, and take care and have a good day.